In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto using wallet balance on Coinbase. If you want a fast, straightforward purchase without waiting for a bank transfer to clear, using your cash balance or USDC on Coinbase is the way to go. Before we start, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified. Identity verification and security checks help prevent purchase issues. You can find details on the Coinbase help site if anything needs attention. First, head to coinbase.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and click the Buy Sell button. This opens the purchase panel where you can choose exactly what you want to buy and how you want to pay. Select the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the dollar amount you want to spend. Take a second to confirm you're on the Buy tab, not Sell or Convert, so your order goes through the way you intend. Now choose your payment method. Click the payment drop-down and switch it from your default bank account to your cash balance or your USDC wallet. Cash balance refers to the fiat currency you already hold on Coinbase, while USDC is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar. Both let you buy instantly, as long as you have enough funds available. If you're using the mobile app or the website, I've placed a direct link to coinbase.com and the official Coinbase app download links at the very top of the description so you can get there quickly and safely. Next, click Preview Buy. This is your review screen. Look closely at the quoted crypto price, the spread, the transaction fee, and the total you'll pay. Fees can vary based on your region, payment method, and order size. So this is the moment to double check everything, including that the payment method shows cash balance or USDC. Keep in mind that crypto prices move quickly. Quotes are generally time limited, so if it expires, just refresh or preview again. When everything looks correct, click Buy Now to finalize. Your crypto should appear in your Coinbase account immediately when using cash balance or USDC, so you can view it right away under your assets. A couple of quick notes. Using your wallet balance helps you avoid delays that happen with some bank deposits. Fees do apply, including the spread and a transaction fee, so always review the totals. There's also an alternative route using Coinbase Wallet, which can connect to your Coinbase.com account to fund purchases with your linked balance, if that fits your workflow. That's it. You've just learned how to buy crypto using your wallet balance on Coinbase. Thanks for watching.